I'm Matt McWilliams. I'm the Global Technical Manager with Bridon USA. We're here today to speak a bit about large square baler adjustments, troubleshooting, and our latest and greatest Impax technology. With Impax technology, we're able to bale longer, make heavier bales, and improve the performance of your large square baler in the field. So now that we've covered the twine routing to the tensioning system, we want to talk a little bit about the tensioning system. So the twine is coming from the twine box down through the backside of these roller tensioners. These are roller tensioners, then flowing down through our slacker arm and our slacker arm roller. And from there, the twine is traveling up to the needle rollers at the bottom of the bale chamber. This is not our number one slacker arm. Okay, these slacker arms help to take some of the slack out of the twine and also tighten the knot after it's been formed and stripped off of the bill hook. So from here, we want to make sure we have enough tension on the twine. Twine tension is extremely important for consistent tying ability within the baler. So one easy way we can check is just look across the level of all of your lower slacker arms. So as you can see, this particular slacker arm is lower than the other 5 slacker arms under this machine. That tells me almost immediately that our roller tensioner tension is a bit too low on this specific slacker arm. In addition, we can also pull up on the twine. We shouldn't see any twine rolling through the roller tensioner until the slacker arm hits the axle. So if I'm pulling up, you can see those rollers already rolling before I hit that stop. If that's the case, we need to adjust the roller tension on this particular roller tensioner. Okay, so now that we've talked about a few ways you can check your roller tension, I want to show you a way that's a little bit more accurate by measuring the roller tension using a scale. So in this case, we want to make sure our lower slacker arm on the slacker arm we want to check and roller tension that we want to check is down so that our twine is slack, okay? And we want to make sure we measure the roller tension in the direction of travel that the twine normally flows in. So I'm going to take this twine on slacker arm number 1, roller tensioner number 1. I'm going to tie a loop knot in it, just a simple loop knot. You're going to be taking these out at the end of the process. And I'm going to take a fishing scale or luggage scale. We have it set on pounds for this example. I'm going to place the hook in the loop, and then we're going to pull kind of slow and evenly. And you'll see the numbers kind of bounce around a little bit. I think we saw a peak tension of around 6 pounds. For proper lower roller tension, we typically recommend a range of 16 to 24 pounds. This roller tensioner definitely needs to be adjusted for proper tying consistency.